A small yard doesn't mean giving up comfort. I've learned that privacy is more about how a space feels than how big it is. When you feel relaxed outdoors, the yard suddenly feels bigger and more personal. Privacy doesn't mean shutting the world out. It's about creating a space where you can sit, breathe, and feel unobserved. In small yards, even subtle changes can make a huge emotional difference. I love farmhouse outdoor spaces because they feel real. Natural wood, simple textures, and imperfect finishes bring warmth. These elements don't just block views, they create a sense of home. When floor space is limited, growing upward feels like a smart move. Climbing plants and vertical gardens add privacy while bringing life into the yard. Green walls feel softer and more calming than solid barriers. One flat wall can feel heavy. Layering plants, fences, and textures adds depth. I've noticed layered spaces feel more intentional, almost like the yard is slowly revealing itself. You don't always need tall fences. Low farmhouse-style fencing creates boundaries without blocking light. It makes the yard feel defined, but still open and friendly. pergola doesn't close the space, it frames it. In small yards, that structure creates comfort and privacy without feeling tight. It's like giving the yard a ceiling, not walls. Where you sit changes how exposed you feel. Facing greenery or inward areas naturally creates privacy. It's a simple design trick, but emotionally, it works beautifully. I love outdoor curtains because they feel gentle. You can open them or close them depending on the moment. That flexibility makes small spaces feel more human and lived in. Raised planters don't scream for attention, but they work. They lift greenery to eye level and subtly block views. At the same time, they add charm and structure. All solid walls feel heavy. All open designs feel exposed. Mixing both creates balance. That contrast is what makes farmhouse spaces feel calm and visually interesting. A small gate creates a psychological shift. Once you step inside, it feels private, even if the yard is tiny. That sense of entry matters more than we realize. screens can work if they're designed right. Slats, gaps, and natural textures keep things breathable. In small yards, visual lightness is everything. Corners often feel awkward, but they're perfect for privacy solutions. Adding tall plants or angled screens turns forgotten spots into cozy zones that feel intentional. Warm lighting pulls attention inward. At night, good lighting creates emotional privacy even without tall walls. It's one of the simplest ways to make a yard feel personal. I prefer plants over hard walls. Grasses move, shrubs grow, and the space feels alive. That natural movement makes privacy feel peaceful, not restrictive. Even with privacy, I always want to see the sky. Leaving the upper space open keeps small yards from feeling closed. It helps the space breathe. Privacy doesn't have to be expensive. Reclaimed wood, DIY screens, and reused materials add character. Sometimes the most charming solutions come from creativity, not money. When privacy feels right, you actually use the space more. You linger longer, relax deeper, and treat the yard like an extension of your home, not just an extra area. With thoughtful design, even a small yard becomes a personal escape. Privacy isn't about size, it's about intention. When done right, the space truly feels like home.